Hey, what's up everyone? Spencer with Malibu Parts. I'm here to answer a few maintenance questions regarding the actuators on Malibu's Power Wedge 1. The Power Wedge 1 was equipped on Malibu boats from 2006 to 2014. The Power Wedge is controlled by two Lenco actuators working in tandem to raise and lower the foil. The Power Wedge is one of the best wake shaping devices on the market, but as these boats get older, the wedge may stop working. The main cause of this is one or both of the actuators have gone bad. If this happens to your boat, here are a couple things to keep in mind. There have been two versions of the actuators used on the Power Wedge 1. From 2006 to 2011, the Power Wedge used a Lenco 3-pole actuator. In 2012 to 2014, Malibu switched to a Lenco 5-pole actuator. In order to verify which actuators you have, check the first digit of the 5-digit number printed on the side of the actuator. If the first digit is between 1 and 4, it is a 3-pole actuator. If the digit is between 5 and 8, the actuator is a 5-pole actuator. If you have a 5-pole actuator, all you should have to do is replace the actuators. Malibu does recommend to replace both actuators at the same time as to not put added stress on the old actuator. If you have a 3-pole actuator, you will need to upgrade to the 5-pole actuators. Malibu recommends to also replace the control box at the same time. This is because in most cases, the control box will not communicate with the actuators properly, causing issues immediately or down the road. To verify which control box you need, reach out to us with your whole identification number and we can look it up for you. For further help replacing those actuators, reach out to us and we can help walk you through the process. Here at Malibu Parts, we are always striving to help you fuel your passion for life on the water. Our team is always happy to help answer any question you have and help find what you need. You can get the 5-pole actuators and control boxes on our website at malibuparts.com. While you're there, check out our service kits we sell and everything else that you might need for your boat. To stay up to date on all the info for your boat and for helpful tips and tricks, please like and subscribe to all of our social media platforms. Thanks for watching. See you on the water.